The wife secretly underwent a corneal transplant surgery. After being blind for 10 years, she finally regained her sight. She was excited to share the good news with her husband, but was interrupted by her best friend who had just returned from abroad. Unaware of the seriousness of the situation, the wife happily celebrated her friend's return. She even prepared to decorate the banquet hall herself. However, just as she reached the door, she remembered something she had forgotten to take. When she turned back to retrieve it, she was horrified to see her husband and daughter posing intimately with her best friend in a photo. They looked like a real family of three. What shocked her even more was that the daughter she had raised lovingly was calling the best friend Mom. Her adopted daughter even looked down on her, believing that she had made her father and herself endure the disdain of the outside world. She advised her father to divorce the woman. Her father firmly refused, because it was the wife who donated her corneas 10 years ago to save him. If they divorced now, people would think he was ungrateful. The woman was furious when she heard all of this, but she did confront them. That evening, the scheming adopted daughter eagerly wanted the woman to vacate the space. She took out a divorce agreement, but lied, saying it was her volunteer registration form, and asked the woman to sign it. Although the wife, who had regained her sight, was heartbroken. She no longer had any attachment to this family. She decisively signed her name. Unexpectedly, as soon as the adopted daughter received the signed agreement, she immediately turned hostile. Taking advantage of the father's absence, she kicked the woman out of the house. Little did she know, she would soon have to pay the price for her decision. After the divorce, the woman's life unexpectedly changed dramatically, because her son, who had been missing for 20 years, suddenly found her. Her son was now the richest person in the world, with a net worth of trillions of dollars. To spare his mother from further suffering, her son took her back to his home. He even hired a Michelin chef to cook for her. The mother didn't want her son to spend too much money, so she personally cooked him a bowl of egg noodles. The CEO was moved to tears instantly. The next morning, the mother woke up and started cleaning the house. Seeing this, the CEO hurriedly stopped her. He said the reason he broke her home was for her to enjoy her latter years. Household chores should be left to the servants. He then gave her a jade pendant, symbolizing his CEO status, and told her she could go shopping at any of his company's malls, where no one would dare to bully her. However, the mother did go on a shopping spree. She went to a local market to buy some vegetables to cook for her son. Even though her son was the richest man in the world, she felt she should still help him save money. Coincidentally, the adopted daughter and her best friend were also shopping in the same supermarket. When the best friend found out that the CEO's mother would be her, the scheming woman told her daughter to behave well. She said if her daughter could get noticed by the CEO's mother, she would have a chance to marry into a wealthy family. When they Shallallahu Alaihi Wasallam the woman buying discounted vegetables, the two of them were furious and planned to provoke her. They mocked and insulted her. The woman only felt that she had not educated her adopted daughter properly. She scolded her a few times, but was slapped in the face by the best friend. Suddenly, they noticed the jade pendant the woman was wearing. It was the same as the one the CEO's mother wore. They suspected that the woman had stolen the pendant, so they forcefully took it from her neck. The father, upon hearing this, believed that the woman won't steal anything, but the best friend insisted that the woman had stolen the CEO's mother's jade pendant. She even called the supermarket staff to check. The employee carefully examined the pendant's design and confirmed it was indeed the CEO's jade pendant, so they concluded that the woman was impersonating the CEO's mother. The best friend demanded that the woman be taken to meet the CEO's mother. The father hurriedly intervened, saying that this matter